Backyard remodel timelines don't get delayed during construction. They get delayed before construction ever starts. At the beginning, we take time to understand how the space will be used, evaluating the property, and creating a clear design. This part can take up to a few weeks, but it's what sets the foundation for everything that follows. Once the design is dialed in, there's often a permitting step. That timeline can vary depending on the local jurisdiction and requirements, but planning for it early is going to prevent unnecessary delays. When construction begins, things usually move much more smoothly because the major decisions have already been made. Depending on the size and complexity of your project, the timeline can vary between a few months, in some cases up to a year. Things like weather and material availability can affect the timeline, but planning upfront minimizes any surprises during the project. What we always tell clients is that a backyard remodel isn't something you really want rushed. When the process is thoughtful and well organized, the experience is much better and the final results last much longer. The goal isn't just finishing quickly, it's finishing right. If you're considering a backyard remodel and want realistic expectations around timing, those are the conversations we have with every client at Evoscapes. For more videos on landscape design, tips, and to see our work, subscribe and follow along.